U part and shoulder part. Remove U and shoulder part from the shirt original block. Cut the front armhole on mark before I make this and a front armhole line. Make front final cutting pattern from front block before I make and drawing outside of front block for final cutting front pattern. Mark and drawing as per front block before I make for final front cutting pattern. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Here under arm armhole bust, drawing center front bust drawing mark for final cutting pattern, and waist dart front waist dart mark for final cutting pattern. For side bust dart drawing for final cutting pattern, chest line drawing, waist line drawing, and then added seam allowance for final cutting pattern. Women's wear basic shirt pattern size M front part making. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Stay with us for full video. Mark on all point, make bold seam and this and a front final cutting pattern. Thanks for watching and stay with us. Like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next. Women's wear basic pattern shirt size M front part pattern make. Dart allowance 1 inch. Here I 1 inch down and mark for armhole bar front armhole bust allowance dart allowance 1 inch dart move downward 1 inch dart allowance 1 inch down says dart 1 inch move downward 3 inch dart position from underarm 5/8 inch adding seam margin at bottom front bottom. Added 3/4 seam allowance at front bottom hem line. 5/8 inch seam margin added at front side seam line. Front seam 2 times. Front side seam 2 times. 3/8 seam allowance and 1/4 inch folding. 3/8 seam margin at front armhole. 3/8 seam margin at front shoulder. 3/8 seam margin and front neckline. Mark 3/8 in this and a center front seam allowance. Center front